Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of technology governance, particularly focusing on a fascinating debate surrounding Node.js and its Technical Steering Committee, or TSC for short. I recently came across a pivotal pull request that's stirring the pot a bit, a topic that really highlights how open source projects navigate complex decisions. So let's set the scene. Imagine this. Node.js is not just a framework used for building apps. It's a massive community of developers and contributors working together to innovate and improve the platform. And at the heart of this collaboration lies the TSC, which essentially acts like the captain of the ship, steering the direction of Node.js development. Now, what's particularly interesting about this pull request is its implications for both governance and collaboration within the community. Open source thrives on this idea of contribution and consensus. And the decisions made at the TSC impact not just the developers, but the end users relying on Node.js for their projects. So let's unpack some critical aspects. This pull request, labeled as 1697, raises some compelling questions about how we define technical leadership and decision-making in such a large and diverse ecosystem. What do you think? Should major decisions be made by consensus, or is it better to have a smaller, more agile group making quick calls? As we delve into this, it's essential to remember that beyond the technicalities, it's about people, the developers who spend countless hours coding, fixing bugs, and dreaming up new features. Each pull request, like this one, symbolizes their passion and commitment. And here's a thought-provoking question for you. When you think about governance in open source, do you believe everyone's voice can truly be heard? Or do we risk creating silos where only a few get to steer the discussions? It's that balance between structure and flexibility that's so tricky. The TSC needs a framework to operate effectively, but it must also remain open enough to evolve with contributions from all corners of the community. This is where the magic really happens, the blend of leadership and shared responsibility. As we wrap up, let's piece together some of the key insights we've touched upon today. We've discussed the role of the TSC, the importance of community voices in decision-making, and the ongoing challenge of balancing efficiency with inclusiveness. It's a delicate dance, but one that ultimately shapes the future of Node.js and similar open source projects. So, let's keep this conversation going. I'd love to hear your thoughts on governance in open source. What are some of the successes or challenges you've witnessed in other communities, and how might those lessons apply to Node.js? Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep coding, and remember, your contributions help shape the future.